Welcome to Understand the Math. Let's calculate some arc length problems.
In our first problem, we have a circle with a radius of 25 inches, and we're asked to find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of pi over 4. We'll begin by drawing our radius and our angle theta. Our radius we'll label as r, and theta is pi over 4. So we'll draw that like this, and we'll label that angle as theta. It's always good when you're completing a problem to write down the information that you're given. So let's write down that r is 25 inches, and you always want to include units with that, and theta is pi over 4. Let's now draw the length of the arc in purple. To find the arc length, we begin by writing down the formula. Our formula is S is equal to R times theta. We can now plug in what R and theta are. R is 25 inches, and theta is pi over 4. So that gives us S is equal to 25 pi over 4 inches. And if we throw that in our calculator, we get a value of 19.63 inches. And let's box that. So this tells us that if our circle has a radius of 25 inches and our angle is pi over 4, our arc length is 19.63 inches. In our second problem, we have a circle with a radius of 9 centimeters, and we're asked to find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of 240 degrees. Let's note that in the first problem, our angle was in terms of radians, and in this problem, our angle is in terms of degrees. So for this problem, we're going to have to do an added step of converting our degrees to our radians. We'll begin by writing our radius, r, and then our angle theta, which is 240 degrees. So that angle is less than 270, but greater than 180. So that puts our angle like this. So that's our angle theta. And just like we did for the first problem, let's write our arc in purple. To find the arc length, we'll start with our formula again. S is equal to R times theta. And now we can plug in what R and theta are. Oh, I forgot to write down what our values are. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So our theta is 240 degrees, and our radius is 9 centimeters. So our arc length S is equal to our radius, which is 9 centimeters, times our angle, which is 240 degrees. And now we have that added step that we need to convert from degrees to radians so that all of our units match up. So to convert from degrees to radians, we're going to multiply by pi over 180 degrees. And I have a video explaining why that is if you want to watch that video on converting between degrees and radians. And now let's see what's going to cancel out and combine. So let's see, it looks like we can cancel the 9, goes into 180 20 times. So that leaves us with 240 pi all over 20, which gives us S is equal to 12 pi centimeters. And we'll go ahead and put centimeters back up on the top one. So S, when we go ahead and throw that into our calculator, we get approximately 37.70 centimeters. You should now be able to calculate circular arc length on your own.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.